The city has been working with the community for the past few years on a project to improve safety, parking, and traffic flow through the Terramar neighborhood. Many years ago, the city had plans to widen Carlsbad Boulevard through the Terramar neighborhood, using all of the city's right-of-way. For residents along the boulevard, this would have felt like having a 4-lane highway right outside their front doors. The updated general plan changed the designation of this roadway to provide a wider array of options for meeting traffic, safety, and overall mobility needs in the area. So what's proposed today? Let's start by looking at the Blufftop area across from the power plant. The proposed project will help prevent further erosion of the bluff by eliminating some of the informal paths on the Blufftop and planting coastal landscaping. It also creates 2 formal pathways to the beach. The project also includes 3 small gathering areas where you can take a break from your walk or jog, watch the sunset, or check the waves before paddling out. Here's what the main overlook could look like. You can see the benches are fairly low profile. They're backless, and they blend in with the paths and the plants. The community told us they'd like to keep the area as natural as possible. Other features include about 50 new parking spaces, crosswalks, bike racks, more recycling and trash cans, and drinking fountains, plus making the existing sidewalk wider. The main decision to be made on this project is whether to use traffic signals or roundabouts on Carlsbad Boulevard at the intersections of Cannon Road and Cerezo Drive. All alternatives meet the project's goals and have a number of things in common. Looking at the Cannon Road options, you can see a street design feature called a bulb out to discourage cut-through traffic entering the neighborhood. Dedicated bike lanes, walking paths, and sidewalks. New parking, enhanced crosswalks with flashing beacon lights, and landscaping along the roadway. The Cerezo Drive intersection has these same features. Here's what the 2 Cerezo Drive options look like side by side. One of the main differences between the 2 traffic signal options and the 2 roundabout options is the center turn lane. The traffic signal option keeps a portion of the center turn lane. The roundabout option doesn't have the center turn lane because it will be easy to change directions and for residents to make a U-turn so they can pull into their driveways more safely. Another difference is the flow of traffic. The traffic signal option will result in faster speeds with breaks in traffic during red lights. The roundabout option results in a slower, more steady flow of traffic. Some residents are concerned they won't be able to pull out of their driveways very easily with the roundabout option. Roundabouts create breaks in traffic in several different ways, including when up or downstream traffic signals turn red, when someone turns into the neighborhood or makes a U-turn, slows down to let a bicyclist through, or waits for a pedestrian. Similar to other situations where traffic has to merge, drivers can also ease out into the roadway slowly, signaling to drivers to let them merge. The project team also evaluated a combination of roundabouts and traffic signals. One has a signal at Cannon with a roundabout at Cerezo, and the other has a roundabout at Cannon and a signal at Cerezo. All 4 alternatives meet the project's goals, but the technical analysis shows the option with the 2 roundabouts has the most advantages. The final part of this project is the area to the south of Cerezo. We are proposing reverse-angled parking in this area. You may have seen reverse-angled parking in other coastal areas, like Del Mar, Solana Beach, and in Oceanside's downtown. The reverse-angled parking in this location allows us to add 10 to 12 additional parking spots to the parallel parking that's out there today. The biggest advantage of reverse-angled parking is when you're exiting the parking space, you're facing forward, so you can easily see vehicles and bicycles that are traveling in the roadway. This avoids doors being opened into oncoming traffic of another vehicle or bicycle. Another advantage to reverse-angled parking is that it's much easier to unload all your beach gear when you're backed into the parking spot, rather than trying to unload all your gear in the bike lane or in the road. That's a quick overview. More detailed information including results from the traffic studies and a summary of the public input, is available in the staff report.